Welcome to our first episode on Islamic banking. My name is Maddie. Introduction to Islamic banking. Islamic banking, also called Sharia-compliant banking, is a system of banking that operates in accordance with Islamic law. Unlike conventional banks, Islamic banks prohibit interest and engage only in permissible financial activities. The goal is not just profit, but also social justice, fairness, and ethical investment. To elaborate, Islamic banking is based on key principles such as 1. Prohibition of interest. Banks cannot charge or pay interest. For example, if a person takes a loan to buy a house, the bank does not charge a fixed interest. Instead, it can offer a profit-sharing model like murabaha, where the bank buys the house and sells it to the customer at a pre-agreed markup. 2. Risk sharing. Both the bank and the customer share the risk of the business. A common example is mudaraba, where the bank provides capital and the entrepreneur provides expertise. Profits are shared according to a pre-agreed ratio, while losses are borne by the capital provider, unless negligence is involved. 3. Ethical investments. Islamic banks cannot invest in businesses or activities that are considered harmful or unethical, like alcohol, gambling, or tobacco. For instance, a bank would fund a halal food processing business rather than a casino. 4. Asset-backed financing. All transactions must be linked to real economic activity or tangible assets, preventing speculation. For example, in ijara, a bank buys a vehicle and leases it to a client. The client pays rent, and ownership may transfer later. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at real-life example. Consider Dubai Islamic Bank, one of the oldest Islamic banks in the world. It financed a housing project using murabaha. The bank purchased the property and sold it to homeowners at an agreed markup, providing a lawful alternative to traditional interest-bearing mortgages. This enabled people to own homes without violating Sharia principles. Now let's look at the importance of Islamic banking in modern society. 1. Financial inclusion. Islamic banking opens banking access to people who avoid conventional banks due to religious beliefs. 2. Stability. Risk-sharing principles reduce excessive leverage, making the system potentially more stable. 3. Ethical investing. Encourages socially responsible and ethical finance. 4. Alternative to conventional finance. Provides options for both Muslims and non-Muslims seeking ethical financial solutions. What are some of the common problems in Islamic banking and solutions? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Problem 1. Limited public awareness solution. Launch educational programs, seminars, and digital campaigns. For example, in the Gambia, Agib Bank Gambia Limited can provide interactive calculators showing how murabaha or mudaraba works compared to conventional interest. Problem 2. Complexity in contract solution. Simplify and standardize contracts. Provide clear documentation and offer training for bank staff to explain contracts transparently. Problem 3. Regulatory challenges solution. Governments and central banks can create Sharia-compliant regulatory frameworks. The OIFI standards can serve as guidance. Problem 4. Limited liquidity instruments solution. Develop more Sharia-compliant liquidity tools like sukuk and commodity murabaha to enhance flexibility. Finally, Islamic banking is more than just avoiding interest. It is about justice, fairness, and ethical finance. In today's world, where financial crises often stem from excessive speculation and unethical practices, Islamic banking offers an alternative model that balances profitability with social responsibility. For society, it means greater financial inclusion, encouragement of ethical investments, shared risk, and reduced systemic instability. In short, Islamic banking is not just a religious obligation. It's a modern, ethical financial system with practical solutions for today's economy. Start now if you are watching from the Gambia by visiting Arab Gambia Islamic Bank AGIB and open your savings account with only a valid ID document, TIN number, and 2 passport-size photos. If you are watching from the diaspora, you can visit their website at www.agib.gm and access all the requirements and steps to open an account. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for part 2.